Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Wednesday so far. We have a very nice looking vehicle here in front of us today. Today we're going to take a look at this 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel in a flame red metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. Not to mention, this vehicle does have the convenience package on it. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED running daytime lights. As I pan right below that, you'll also see the running LED fog lights. And as I come over there towards the middle, you'll see the black powder coated tow hooks here in the front, as well as that black grow insert and the black trim. And finally here for the front end, you'll take notice of that beautifully paint matched red Ram logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a look at these aftermarket wheels as well. As you can see, they are the black fuel wheels that have the red accents that paint match the body color. Not to mention, they are 275/55 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. And if we take a look here in your mirrors, they are heated. Don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. And you will have running boards for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehikel. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys this interior as well. As you guys can see, it is a cloth on leather, premium leather on cloth, black interior, and it does have some of this light gray and white accents, as well as that Rebel icon logo stitched right there on the side. And as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish up top with that staying consistent down below on your glove box as well. You are going to have some of this darker gray trim running along your air vents. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Ram Rebel, your tire depths are going to be 15 and 32 seconds all the way around, with both brakes being 17 and 32 seconds. Here in the rear, as you can see, that premium leather on cloth interior is going to stay consistent back here as well. And if we take a peek here at the floor, you are going to see the all-weather line mat, so don't ever worry about getting your carpet dirty. If we take a peek here behind your driver and passenger seat, you are going to have your own individual storage space as well as your own individual air vents. There are 2 cup holders up top, but if you don't want to use those 2 cup holders, you are going to have a center console equipped with 2 more cup holders. Coming around to the rear, a couple of things to be noted as well. The first things you're going to take notice of are obviously the black, all blacked out icon logos. That is the middle Ram logo, the 4x4, and the Rebel logo there in the bottom left. But something else to be noted as well, you are going to have a hitch and receiver, and this receiver does have the 4 and 7 pin wiring harness. It does have a backup camera, so don't worry about backing up into anything. Also, it does have the easy lift, easy lower tailgate. So go ahead and dropping that tailgate. As you can see, there is a beautiful drop-in bed liner. It is the beautiful plastic drop-in bed liner, as well as a Mopar bed cover. So if you are hauling something that you don't want to get wet and it starts raining, don't ever worry about that. Not to mention, you are going to have your typical hooks back here to strap anything down that you can possibly think of. Moving now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and the 8-way power folding seat adjustments with the lumbar support. Hopping on in, we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys. And as you guys can see, it is a beautiful push start. So you don't have to worry about an actual key. You will just have your fob. Just to show you guys that real quick, it does not have the remote start, sadly, but you will be able to lock it and unlock it from the touch of your fingertips. We're gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. Like I said, just want to take a second and appreciate this beautiful sounding exhaust. And you're gonna see a nice little start up there on your driver and middle display from Ram. And real quick, before we show you guys some of these interior features, let's just take a second and appreciate that beautiful sounding exhaust with a couple of revs as well. And you're going to take notice that this vehicle is going to come with extremely low miles as well, just over 38,000. Like I said, there's plenty of features in here, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys every single one of those as well. If we take a look here at the left side behind your steering wheel, you are going to have all of your headlight adjustments with your automatic headlight setting. You're also going to have the option to change the brightness to your driver display. Your parking brake is also located down here below. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be all of your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. Left side of your steering wheel is going to be all of your middle display, as well as your touch to talk options. And on the right side, you're going to have all of your cruise control options there and your manual gear shifter right there. Coming here over to the middle, you are going to have a 5-inch LCD Uconnect touchscreen display. It does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera as well. Now, if you don't want to use the touchscreen display, there are manual options located to the left and right of that screen. If we take a quick peek up top, you are going to see a small storage space with a 12-volt plug-in. But coming back down, you are going to have your 4-ways there, as well as the climate control right here at the touch of your fingertips. Right below your climate control, you're going to have your traction control option, as well as your tow and haul mode. Here is going to be your beautiful shifter knob with your 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive low, 4-wheel drive high option. This is going to be your hill start assist, as well as your rear differential lock. Right below your traction control and your tow and haul mode, you are going to have 2 USB-C, 2 USB ports, and an auxiliary line in. And now this center cluster kind of gets a little hectic, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys what that looks like a little bit as well. So as you can see, you are going to have this sliding piece here, which does have 2 cup holders, as well as coin holders and a deeper storage compartment there. If I go ahead and push that all the way back, you are going to see that this is a much deeper storage area, and there is a max 400 watt outlet there as well. This little portion right here is going to be a phone holder. And if we go ahead and push this all the way back up, this center console here does have 2 parts. So if I go ahead and hold the top handle, you are going to see a much smaller storage compartment up top. And if I hold that bottom lever down as well, you'll see that it opens up into that much deeper storage compartment, which then allows this to slide back. But if we take a quick look down in here, you are going to see that there is a couple of cool options. You can flip that up, which will block out anything from sliding up there. And as you can see, it does have a max fill there, which basically is just showing you how much room that you have to be able to fill this piece up and still be able to slide this back with no hassle. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you are going to have a sunglass holder, as well as lighting options for both your driver and passenger. And here in the middle, you are going to see your option to open and close your rear window. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine with 395 horsepower. You also take notice that our engine bay is coming extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Now, I will mention here in the front, there are hardly any stone chips. And typically, like I say in every other video, all used vehicles have these stone chips, and the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. I will mention though, there is none. I mean, I can look around this entire vehicle. You are going to have a small one there, as well as a small one there. However, other than that, I mean, this front end is in impeccable condition. Coming back down here along the passenger side of the body, as you can see as well, the only imperfection on this side is a slight scratch coming up this rear passenger side door. Other than that, even coming back here towards the bed of the vehicle, it is also in very good condition. And as you guys can see, all of these rims have no curb rash, and the tires are in very good condition. We put 4 brand new tires on this vehicle. Gonna go ahead and come around here to the rear. As you can see, it does not have any of your typical trunk scratches as well. This vehicle was extremely well maintained. If I go ahead and drop the tailgate, you are gonna have just a couple of small tailgate imperfections. This is very typical in these used trucks. Even your bed liner is in very good condition, hardly ever been used. And then finally, making our way back up here to the driver's side of the body. As you can see on this side as well, it is also in impeccable condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents. Even these rims on this side are extremely, extremely good. No curb rash on them. This is an extremely clean 2020. That's all I have for you guys today on this impeccable 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com. or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to push notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Wednesday, guys.